Hello, today we're going to talk about multiple linear regression model. A multiple linear regression model is a linear regression model with more than one independent variables. Here we are asked to create a multiple linear regression model to predict salary as a function of all the adjusted cost of living rates. Therefore here salary would be the dependent variables and other adjusted cost of living rates such as groceries, housing, utilities, transportation, and healthcare would be the independent variables. So let's start. First, go to the Data tab, click Data Analysis, and then select Regression, and then hit OK. Here, the Y range is the dependent variable, which is the salary. Then the X range are the independent variable, so select all the independent variables like this. Make sure you check the labels box and then select the output range right here. So this is the output that you would get from the Excel regression tool. So first of all, to create the model, we can use the data from the coefficients here. So therefore the first model is salary, the dependent variable, equals to the intercept. I'm just using the 2 decimal places here, but please follow your instructions and use the decimal places accordingly. The coefficient for housing, and then the coefficient for utilities, then for transportation, then the coefficient for healthcare. Therefore, this is the model right here. Next, let's talk about R-square, significance F, and the p-values. Here, the R-square is 0.996, which is almost equal to 1. So this represents that the regression line fits the data very well, or almost perfectly. Talking about significant F, here the significance F is 3.8377 times 10 to the power negative 22, which is almost equal to 0 and also less than 0.05. Therefore, the model helps predicting the salary as a function to other adjusted cost of living. Likewise, let's look at the p-values here. The p-value for transportation is higher than 0.05. So we can see that transportation is not a significant factor in predicting the salary, but talking about other independent variables such as groceries, housing, utilities, and healthcare, all of these have p-values of less than 0.05. We can say that groceries, housing, utilities, and healthcare are significant predictors of salaries.